We're back, and it's a whole new year, 2022, and it's time for another flyover update. We've got a special bonus for you near the end, but we'll get right to the main tour and start off over Mossy Pine Court. This time we'll try to fly right down the center of the court to hopefully give you a better view of the progress here. 2 villa buildings are closed now, and it looks like the last 4-unit villa building here has had its walls stacked. We'll turn next onto Crested Eagle Lane. Progress continues on Crested Eagle, and it remains a very busy area for construction. We believe that at least 2 homes on this street have closed since just before Christmas, with a few others very close to ready now. But we also learned from a builder representative that they had planned to close up to 28 homes in the community in December. Our own count of nearly ready homes for the month came to about 22 at mid-month. It seems that labor shortages and other issues may have caused quite a bit of slowdown in the final weeks of December, and we did not see any of the expected homes close in the final week of the year. Indeed, I don't think that any more than 10 homes closed in all of December, so January is looking to be quite busy. Ahead now is the main circle intersection of Talon Preserve with Eagle Branch. Off to the left, you can see the Amenity Center site and the clubhouse and parking areas underway there. Passing over the clubhouse, you can see the covering in place on most of the roof. Behind the clubhouse, the forms are in place for the resort pool, but no gunite or shotcrete has been poured yet. Turning around, we'll get a top-down overhead view of the Amenity Center site. And from this view over the clubhouse, we think we now know what the recess in the center of the main roof is for. Roof-mounted air conditioning equipment, to be hidden from view. Should have thought of that before. Looking down, you can also make out some of the curbs in place in the parking areas off to the right. Now we'll continue through the community down Talon Preserve Drive to the west. At least 2 homes closed on this stretch of road in late December and the first week of January, and there are at least 4 more homes that should be getting close to closing in the coming days and weeks. It's hard to see from this angle, but hidden sawgrass path off to the left is making good progress in its paving prep. As we finish off on the paved portion of Talon Preserve Drive, we can see that a lot of land clearing work is still underway in what will be the 3rd phase of development. Watch for more on that at the end of this video. Now we're right back behind the Amenity Center site and headed up the south end of Eagle Branch Drive. Once again, there are those new curbs in the parking area. We'll pass over the main circle intersection again and head up the main Phase 1 section of Eagle Branch Drive. This section remains very busy with at least 2 homes closing in the last few weeks. At least 2 more were supposed to close before January 1st, but now will close in the next few days or so. We'll continue north on Eagle Branch and into the next phase, where there is a notable step in progress. Although we had heard that a lack of specialty block had delayed work out here, 2 homes have now had their concrete block walls stacked. Passing over the intersection of Eagle Branch with Winding Pine, we spot another development. The forms for the first new home on this part of Eagle Branch have gone in at lot 590. We'll continue out along the new section of paved road for Eagle Branch. And then we'll see the forms, rebar, and lining ready for the first new villa building out here on lots 865 to 868. That will bring us out to the new construction entrance onto Honore Avenue, where we can see the new gates there clearly. However, these gates seem to just remain open. What's up with that? Now we'll head back down to the circle at the east end of Winding Pine Drive and turn onto that street. Quite a few lots have started here. I'll call out a few of these lots so you can get your bearings. We'll start with lots 550 and 546 there on the left. I tried calling out each lot in the aborted Thanksgiving episode, but that took too much editing time. This time I'm only showing a few and will let you count between those to see how yours stands if you are buying out here. Passing over the intersection of Winding Pine and Eagle Branch again, I'll again call out a couple of lots at each end for you to count off. At the end of this paved section of Winding Pine, you can see more clearing work ahead in a future phase. We'll swing around and head down Little Eagle Loop, where a number of lots have also made some progress. There's lot 523 for one. And now we'll turn and head back. Wait, it's time for that bonus footage I was promising. Out at the west end of Talon Preserve Drive, we come to what is officially called Phase 2 on county records and on a pre-construction plan for the community that we have seen. This now third phase will include the connection to the Legacy Trail and the entrance onto Florida 681. You can see that much clearing work has been done and remains underway. They've cleared land, emptied water from marshes and lakes, dug out the form of new lakes, and filled water into those new lakes. They've also built up large berms, particularly along Route 681. And some clearing for streets has been done, but much work remains there. Up ahead is where a connecting bike path will go out to hook up with the Legacy Trail, allowing everyone to easily bike or walk out to Sarasota and Venice. We'll turn northeast and parallel Route 681. Up ahead, you can begin to see the entrance onto Route 681. This will be a gated entry like the main entry, but without a guard station. The road work onto 681 is done, but use by residents will have to wait until the roads out here are paved and passable. That will likely be several more months. Continuing on through this area, we can see off in the distance where the intersection of Winding Pine Drive with Talon Preserve Drive will be. Once that is in place, we'll have a path around the community that will alleviate the many dead ends around now. Now we'll zoom back out to the sales center and main gate, and then out along Talon Preserve Drive to the main entrance once again. And that brings our flight to an end today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and remember to click that like button if you want to see more like this.